Good morning, dear students. Today, in value education, we are going to learn a new value, that is courageousness. It is said that after fear is overcome, you see victory. It is a dark night. The electricity goes off. You are alone at home with your baby sister. Someone knocks at the door. What do? Will you hide under the bed with your sister, or will you find out who is at the door and then decide what to do? It means when we overcome our fear, we get victory. Let's read this story to find out who was truly brave, Mahi or Pontoma. The best man in the whole tribe is Mahi, the brave. Everyone would say. Mahi would smile proudly and flex his muscles. One could see for oneself at any time of the day just how brave he was. He would jump to the ground from amazing heights, fight poisonous snakes, and catch scorpions with bare hands. He would do all this without even a flinch. It means he was very brave and he never scared of anyone. The people of the tribe also said something completely different. He is not at all brave. This was for the Pontoma. No one had even seen him catch a monkey. It means everyone thought that Pontoma was not a brave. One day, both Mahi and Pontoma met in the forest. Mahi said, "See, Pontoma, a coral snake. I have just caught it." Pontoma smiled and said, "Well done, Mahi. You are a brave man." Just then, it started raining cats and dogs. It means it was raining unusually and very hard. Both of them ran to shelter themselves under some thick foliage, and there they stayed until the rain stopped. Foliage means very thick plants close to each other. However, when they were about to leave the shelter, they heard the roar of tiger. The tiger was right outside the foliage. At the entrance, Pontoma said, "The foliage is very thick and dense. The tiger will not be able to get through. Let's stay here." Mahi was getting restless. He wanted to get out of the tight hole and confront the tiger in the open space where he could fully use his great hunting skill. He said, "I'm going to fight the tiger. I cannot sit in a hole like a coward." Pontoma gestured him to keep still and be quiet. But Mahi, tired of being stuck with a coward, leapt out of the thicket, surprising the tiger. The fight between the two began. The tiger suffered a couple of deep wounds but soon recovered and hurt Mahi with two swipes of its paw. Throwing him to the ground, the tiger was just going to kill Mahi when Pontoma gathered courage and interrupted its attack. He had a spear in his hand. It was Mahi's spear. He moved as fast as a beam of light. With incredible bravery, he hurt the animal again and again until it fell to the ground lifeless. Mahi witnessed all this with the shock. Neither of them spoke a word. No words were needed. Mahi's grateful expression said it all. From that day on, people remarked less about either Mahi's bravery or of Pontoma's cowardice. They had noticed that Mahi's old spear was now with Pontoma. Pontoma just smiled whenever he remembered the day when he learnt to be brave and was successful in controlling his fear. Mahi also smiled and learned that true bravery lay not in seeking danger but in being able to confront it. It means courage is the ability to control fear in a situation that may be dangerous or unpleasant. Pontoma was courageous in a situation where his own life was in danger. Such courage is a great quality. Courage does not lie in bullying those who are smaller or weaker. It is not size or strength that makes one courageous. Everyone is afraid of something or the other. Overcoming this fear is what makes one courageous. Thank you.